I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I go for a walk in the morning. I go for a walk in the morning.
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock.
I study at night. I study at night.
I visit my grandparents on Sunday. I visit my grandparents on Sunday.
I exercise in the evening. I exercise in the evening.
I take tea at 5 p.m. I take tea at 5 p.m. I sleep before 11 p.m. I sleep before 11 p.m. I finish work by 6 p.m. I finish work by 6 p.m.
I rest during lunch break. I rest during lunch break. I travel in December. I travel in December. I meet my friend at noon. I meet my friend at noon. I read books in the afternoon. I read books in the afternoon.
I pray in the morning. I pray in the morning.
I call my mother at night. I call my mother at night.
I watch TV after dinner. I watch TV after dinner.
I brush my teeth before bed. I brush my teeth before bed.
I work hard during exams. I work hard during exams.
I celebrate my birthday in May. I celebrate my birthday in May.
I reach home by 7 p.m. I reach home by 7 p.m.
I start my job in the morning. I start my job in the morning.
I relax after work. I relax after work.
I work part-time during holidays. I work part-time during holidays.
I go shopping on weekends. I go shopping on weekends.
I wake up before sunrise. I wake up before sunrise.